Hello everyone, today we will start a new series, and I will use the textbook, The Art of Cursive Penmanship, written by Michael Sull. Michael Sull is probably the best and most well-known handwriting expert today. He has written multiple books, and I'm using the book from 2018. You can find in the description below. This book is all about functional handwriting. So it's not about calligraphy or fancy lettering. You don't see shading or unnecessary loops in the letter. The letter forms are very simplified and readable. The textbook contains lots of copy sheet exercise, and I will be following the exercise and upload video every day. The exercises are not easy at all, so for me it takes around 15 minutes to complete one page of exercise. And Michael Sull suggests that you do 30 minutes practice session every day, and you must be diligent in order to improve your handwriting. If you are interested, please order the textbook from the link below and start following this video series. Hope this helps. Thanks.